So how is Catalyst written and themed?
Well, we've obviously taken our cue from the science specification that was released by the NCCA, and we would have obviously information provided on all of the 5 strands, the 4 contextual strands, and particularly I think the nature of science strand, and we've made a big conscious effort there to tread that through the entire course of the book, really try and mimic what science is. Really, it's a process as opposed to a body of knowledge, and we have lots of engagement with the nature of science in the course of the book through things like working as a scientist, science and society investigations, and science investigations as well, all written with a view to allowing the students to become investigators themselves. Also, throughout the course of the book, we've got a series of goal links which allow students to see how you can join the dots across the different worlds. All of the topics are on 2 to 3 page spreads, all started with a series of learning intentions that have obviously been derived from the learning outcomes, and it's very much at the teacher's discretion whether they use those or they modify them for their own purposes, and be very much dependent on the students that are in front of them, the context of the school and so on. Keywords feature at the start of every chapter and linked to a lovely little keywords book where adequate definitions are given for students to work with. Also at the end of every chapter we reference students to a check your learning in their portfolio, so they're constantly kind of monitoring their own progress, and something that we'd like them to revisit over the course of their 3-year program. There's also, we'd like to think, a very attractive package in terms of bright colours. It's visually engaging for the students. Also, throughout the course of the book, there will be lots of modern examples, contemporary examples that should enliven students' understanding and engagement with science, taken from both local, national and international contexts.